The fruit bowl is empty, Maryam. Would you like to go to the market?
Yes, Usman. Let's go.
It's a beautiful day for a walk.
Look at the wildflowers. I wonder what fruits we'll find today. There are so many stalls. Where should we start?
I see a good vendor over there near the spices. Peace be upon you. How much are these fine grapes?
Look, this apple is perfect. No bruises. Thank you. May Allah bless your trade.
And may He bless your family. The basket is full. We got everything.
I am so excited to clean them and put them out.
Okay, I have set out the apples and grapes.
Great! I'll prepare the water now.
We must wash them very carefully. The water is cool.
I always find washing fruit so peaceful. See how brightly they shine now?
They look beautiful in the basket. Alhamdulillah, these are so sweet.
Truly, we must always be grateful for everything Allah has given us.